Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss one of the activity of class 10th science chapter 6 life process, that is 6.2. In this case we take a two healthy potted plant and we keep them in a dark room for 3 days. Now what happened due to this? Initially when it is kept in open, there is a photosynthesis takes place and starch is formed, but when we keep them in a dark room, all that starch will used up. So after 3 days, we will keep both these potted plant in a bell jar, and in one of the bell jar there is a presence of potassium hydroxide. Whereas the second bell jar there is no potassium hydroxide. Now the next step, that we apply the Vaseline at the bases of all the bell jars so that it is airtight, so that no exchange of gases takes place. Now the role of potassium hydroxide, that it absorb carbon dioxide which is present inside this bell jar. Keep this arrangement in sunlight for 2 to 3 hours. Then after this again we pluck both the leaves and perform the starch test separately. So the first step is to dip the leaf in the boiling water. Then we place that leaf in alcohol and heat that solution over water bath till it decolorize. The next step, we will dip the leaf in dilute iodine solution. Next step, we will take out the leaf and rinse off the iodine. So what is the final observation? That plant B synthesize starch by photosynthesis. This one is a plant B which synthesize starch by photosynthesis. Why not plant A? Because there is no CO2. Why CO2 is absent? Because it is absorbed by KOH. So if in exam a diagram is given to you and in the diagram the bell jar KOH is placed, which means the carbon dioxide is absorbed, which means photosynthesis will not take place. And what does this activity proves that? This activity proves that the CO2 is necessary for photosynthesis. So the kind of MCQ which can be framed from this topic, that is the sequence of all the steps. Second point, observation. Then role of KOH, that it absorbs CO2, and if CO2 is absent then there will be no photosynthesis. Whereas in the second plant which is kept in sunlight and there is no KOH is present, in that case photosynthesis will takes place.